Welcome dear students, and in today's class let us complete two more questions from second exercise statistics. So this second exercise completely based on mode formula concept. We are discussing all the problems about mode. Yes, here one more data is given. This data is about a cricket batsman. In one day international cricket, top batsman scores. How many runs were scored by the top batsman? So they have given number of batsmen and runs. For example, 6,000 to 7,000 runs were scored by 7 batsmen in one day international cricket throughout the world. And here 10,000 plus 10,000 to 11,000 runs were scored by one batsman. Only one batsman was scored 10,000 to 11,000 runs in one day international cricket. So this is the old data, not the present data. And here for this data we have to find mode. Let us start. You know that this row should be taken as columns, and here we require only two columns. Yes, that are first one runs, second one number of batsmen. Yes, runs 3,000 to 4,000, 4 to 5, and 5 to 6,000, 6 to 7, and 7,000 to 8,000, and 8,000 to 9,000, 9,000 to 10,000, and finally 10,000 to 11,000. And the number of batsmen are following batsmen are there: 9, 7, 6, 3, 1, 1. Yes. And first of all, select the model class, the highest frequency class. So this is F1. Preceding class frequency is F0. Succeeding is F2. And this is lower boundary. That is nothing but lower limit of the model class. And coming to the formula, here what is L? Lower boundary is 4,000. Model class left side value, left limit 4,000, and F1 is 18, F0 4, and F2 9, and H is the height of the classes. Height of the class into 4,000, 5, 6, 7, 8. So go on increasing by 1,000. Increasing by 1,000. Let's substitute in the formula. So therefore mode is equals to L. What is L? That is 4,000 plus F1. F1 is 18 minus F0 4 by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into height H is, that is 1,000. Okay, let us simplify this result. 18 minus 4 is 14 by 18 2s are 36, keep bracket, minus 4 minus 9 gives, they both give us minus 13 into 1,000. Now it is 4,000 plus 14 into 1,000, 14,000 by 36 minus 13 is 23. 14,000 by 23 into, that's all. And now this is once again in the fractional form. Convert into decimal form. Divide 14,000 by 23 table. Yes, 14,000 we have to divide it by 23 table. Here we have 140. You can take 6. 6 3s are 18, 1, 6 2 are 12, 1 13. Yes, we have 10 minus 8, 2. Take one digit, 20. Now 23 table, 20 is not divisible. So take one more 0. Take it down one more digit. Now it becomes 200. 23 table, it's a 9s are not possible. Take 8s are 8 3s are 24. It is a 16 plus 2, 18. Now you get 10 minus 4, 6, and here 9 is left, 1. But 16 is not divisible. Take decimal point, absolutely. Now you get, for decimal point you get 1 0. Now it is 160. 23 table, 7s is not possible, 6s. So how do we get? Just you check in rough column. Whenever you get in the examination, check in rough column. 23 table, 23 5s how much? You compare with this. 23 4s, 23 3s. You check the result, you compare that result what you get with this 160. If it is nearest value, you can take it down. Otherwise, go for the next. Okay. Now it is 160. You can check by 7s. 7 2s are not possible. So you can go for 6. Yes, already I have taken now 6, 6. 6 3 is 18. 6 to 12 plus 1, 13. 138. And if it is there, 10 minus 8, 2. And 5 is left. 5 minus 3, 2. It becomes 220. Now it is 220. We have to divide by 23 table. Now you can check by 9 table. Absolutely no problem. 9 3 is 27, 2 is left, 9 2 is 18 plus 2, 20. Now here 10 minus 7, 3, and here 1 is left, 13. One more decimal place, because always you try to find 3 decimal places, then immediately correct into 2 decimal places. 130, 130 is the nearest to, and 8s are not possible, 7s are not possible, 6s are also not possible, 5s are. 5 3s are 115. It's enough, leave it. Now we have got 608.695. Okay, it is 4000 plus 608.695, but last digit should be cancelled. If the last digit is, if the last decimal place value is equal to 5 or greater than 5, you can add 1. That is equal to 5. So add it 1. Then it becomes 4000 plus 608.1 is added to 9 means it becomes 69 plus 1. It becomes 70. And finally our answer is 4608.7. So this is the result of mode for this data, and in the same manner you find the mean for this data and compare. So in this exercise, every question we have to simplify mean and mode. Let's coming to question number 6 or 7. Yes, now this is the data. Now here also number of cars and frequency they have given. Number of cars 0 to 10 cars, how many they have got. This is the data about the production of cars. Here also we have to find mode. It's nothing, it's very easy. The given data should be taken, classified into columns, and find out, select the model class F1, F0 and F2, substitute in the formula, you get the answer. Yes, let us see the question number 6, last question of the second exercise, statistics. So here also, this is the data about the number of cars. A student collected the information. He recorded the information about the number of cars, how many are passing through a particular spot. For example, Chaurasta or some spot is there. From there, how many cars are moving, how many cars are passing through that spot in 3 minutes. So out of 100, total 100 periods, so how many cars are passing, that is the data taken, and we have to find the mode of this data. You know that mode can be found by taking the question as it is, number of cars and frequency. Yes, number of cars 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, and that's it. And here 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15, 8. As you know, first of all, we have to select the model class. The highest frequency class should be selected as model class. This becomes F1, F0 and F2. Here, what is L? First value. Lower boundary of the model class. This class also exclusive type of class. Already I have told you in our previous video, which are called exclusive. Chain position means 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40 chain. So it is exclusive type. Direct limit should be taken as direct. This lower limit becomes lower boundary. And F1, F0 and F2. F1 is 20, F0 is 12 and F2 is 11. And H, height of the frequency 10, 20, 30, 40, that is 10. And substitute, therefore mode is equals to L, that is 40 plus F1 20 minus F0 by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into height is 10. Yes, 40 plus, simplify this bracket first. 20 minus 12 is 8. 22 is a 40. 40 minus, both are negative numbers. Just find the sum of the two negative numbers. They give us 23. The sum is 23. Now it is 40 plus 8 tens are 80. By 40 minus 23, that gives 17. Now once again it is a fractional form, convert into decimal form. 80 should be divided by 17 table. You know that 17 fours are how much? That is 68. 17 fives are 85. So therefore better to go with 4s. 17 4s are 68. So you get 12. Yes. And decimal point 10, it becomes 120. 17 sevens are 119, which is nearest value of 120. You get only 1. So 1 is not divisible by 17 table, but already decimal point is there. So for that you can take 1 0. But even 10 also is lesser than 17. So we can take 0 and here you take 0. Now 17 table directly 17 5s are 85. There's no need to calculate, just take this result. Now it is 40 plus, here what is the third decimal place? 5. Just now we have discussed, always I am explaining this. If the third decimal place, we have to find three decimal place, but correct into 2 decimal places. This is equal to 5, so cancel 5 and add 1 to its preceding digit. Now it becomes 4.71 and the answer is 44.71. This is the mode of the given dot. Therefore, you can write here your solution, answer, the result can be taken here. Therefore, mode of the above data is 44.71. Here also, even in this question also, we have to find mean and compare both the results of mean and mode. So, find the difference. If the difference is small or if the difference is greater, you can go through that. So, my dear students, by this we have completed the second exercise, and let's in our next class we'll discuss about median, the third and last concept of the statistics. That's it.